This video will be going through problem set 1, question 5. Again, to begin addressing the question, I'll be copying the question and putting it into the worksheet. Okay, so you are planning a fashion show for a small boutique couture house. The space with the catwalk being rented is $3,250, so that it would be a operating expense because it was required at the time of the event and not before. So again, I'm just inputting the total amount and the number of units. You just need one venue, therefore it'll just be 1. To calculate the total, you will use the equal sign and then just multiply the two variables by using the star. That can be dragged down for all of the lines because we will be inputting more information and it will just automatically calculate it for you. You will also need a V to support to make sure everything runs smoothly and looks good. The expertise comes to a total of $2,080. So again, that will be another operating expense because it is required during the event. Again, only 1 unit, and there it automatically calculates the total for you. There will be light refreshments, and all attendees will get 1 free drink ticket that costs you $4 each. So this is a variable cost because it will change depending on how many attendees you have, but it will be still an operating expense. So to find the number of attendees, we are anticipating 80 attendees in total. So scrolling to the operating expenses. So refreshments, they're $4 each, and we are anticipating 80 units or 80 people. Next, you require 2 security guards that charge $25 per hour in shifts of 4 hours each. So here, ready? To calculate how much they cost you per night, so if they are charging $25 per hour and you require them for 4 hours, so you can just do equal sign 25 multiplied by 4 to find out how much it's going to cost you for the entire evening. And again, you will need 2 security guards, so the number of units is 2. You're also planning to hire 2 videographers to film the event for $500 each. So there, the price per unit is $500, and you will require 2 videographers. And then leading up to the event, you will be marketing it with advertising for $400. So because this is before the event, it will be a pre-production expense. So advertising for $400. Again, it's only 1 unit that is required. And then to again calculate the total, you just multiply the cost per unit by the number of units. Again, you can drag that down for the next expense. And then you'll also be using sponsored posts on social media for $375. So social media, $375, and again, it's just 1 unit. And those are all of the expenses for the event. So now we just have to add up the totals. Again, to calculate the totals, you'll be using the sum function. So use the equal sign, sum, open bracket, select what you want to add together, close bracket, and there is the total. You'll do the same for the fixed production cost, but again, make sure that it's just the fixed production. So the venue cost, it does not matter if you have 1 attendee less or a few more, a few less, the cost will stay the same for the venue. So that will be a fixed cost. To select multiple cells, you just drag, and if you have to stop because the refreshments are no longer a fixed cost as they change per attendee, you can click Control and select other cells. Close bracket. Those are the total fixed. And then the only variable cost we have is the refreshments. Then to calculate the total expenses, again, you will be using the sum function and selecting all the expenses. So again, you select one, press Control, select the other, and the last one. So those are the total expenses. Going back to the question, what are the total pre-production expenses? Those can be found on row 35, so it's a total of $775. then the total production operating expenses. So we actually have those split in between two rows. So we are going to have to have another calculation. Again, just using the sum function, we will select the two operating expenses that we've kind of split up. That comes to a total of $6,850. The last question is, what are your total fixed costs? And we have those calculated on row 46. Thank you for watching.